Hey guys, Eric Roberts with Worship the King, and today I'm going to break down and show you some of the things that I did in my cover of What a Beautiful Name. There's some really more intermediate to advanced things beyond the 4 chords, but this is the video for you if you want to learn that, so let's jump right in. First of all, I am playing my Taylor, and I tuned it down a half step in one of the videos before. So you want to be tuned down 1/2 step if you want that nice, low, like kind of droning sound. It makes the guitar sound a lot better, so that's the first tip, to just do that little drone. In the beginning, I'm going to show you how I entered the song, and it's not any specific way. I had about 10 different things I did, but it was like something like that, or whatever you want to do. But let me show you a simple, easy one that you can do. First of all, that first note I pluck up with my finger, like so, not with a pick. That's why it has that sort of plingy. So I pull off there. So that's like a pluck up, pull off, and then 3. I'm kind of outlining the D chord. So you can do anything like that. 3, 2, 0, 3, 2. And if you want to know the tabs, I'm going to download them. I'm going to put them in a link in the description so you can get the tabs to these little parts that I'm showing you right now. I'm going to break it all down right here, and I'm going to give you the tabs to it. So that's basically how I started. You were the word at the beginning. And I'm just playing like the low note and the high note. And one with God the Lord Most High. Okay, so you just kind of strum and pick, pa, 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 pa. Little kind of things like that. That's just down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your hidden glory in creation. You push that bass note. 1, 2, 3, F sharp, G, and you let that hang out. There's not a lot going on. This kind of creates sort of a little bit of tension and interest. Now revealed in you are Christ. Now here's where I get into the power chords, and I'm going to write these down. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ. Now I'm also using on that my little pluck with this finger. So this is really interesting that I'm using the little pluck finger. So you go G. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. What a beautiful name it is. Beautiful name it is. So ba 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 ba. Down, 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 pluck up. That's it is. Down, 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 pluck up. So you're doing the power chord. Down, 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 pluck up. Now if you don't know the power chords, check the link in the description. I have a whole YouTube video on power chords. I have a whole online course on power chords to help you get, they're not really power chords. These are movable chords, but movable and power chords. So we're on G. What a beautiful name it is. A beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. Bum, ba, ga. So you see what I'm kind of doing there? Down, down, up. And that brings a huge amount of interest. And then I sort of did some little improvising thing into verse 2. So that run right there is simple, like 5, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0. You didn't want heaven without us. So Jesus, you brought heaven down. Yeah, I went on one. I slid up. Jesus, you brought heaven down. Just slid up from 3 to 5 on that, and I let it ring. Kind of. I was doing kind of soft stuff. Sin was great, you push that F sharp, love was greater, but what could separate us now? And I broke into more of a strum here. What a beautiful, wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. And 2. So this strumming pattern would just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. This is like 8th note sound. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So you're doing that, but you're kind of selectively doing it. Like, what a wonderful name it is. A wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. you're strumming like that, you're kind of top note, high note, top note, high note, top note, high note kind of thing. That's so you're kind of accenting on the 2 and the 4. Okay, so I'm gonna break all this down on the sheet that you can download in the online store for free. All right, so then we're gonna go into the instrumental. So the instrumental, I kind of dropped down. I went, what a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus. Went to C. I kind of hold that and just kind of create some space. And then D. You can kind of slide up. E minor. And then the B minor. Death could not hold you. Veil tore before you. So I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just 4 down. It's a picking pattern with 4 down. Da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Heavens are roaring. Praise of your glory. 3, 4. So it's 1 and 2 and is really the count of it. Da 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 da. And then for you are raised to life. Then I went, you have no rivals, you have no equal, now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory. So these are power chords. Yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name. Careful not to get jangly, but you're still then you kind of pull the really accents on what a powerful name it is. 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2. You're accenting on 2 and 4. Christ, my King. What a powerful name. Accent that. Now that part right there, the tweak on that is just play the G/B, but just hit the B note. Really hit the B note. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. I got soft. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. And the last time I went, my guitar's getting a lot of tune, but right there on that G, I just come up from the high end, back on here, and so that kind of scrapes up. The higher you are back here, the more twanky it gets. So you notice you got a good sound up here, but you got a twanky sound back here. It gets twanky. It's like a Twinkie, only it's a guitar tone. All right, guys. So that is What a Beautiful Name. If you like this explanation, make sure you download the chart, the tabs. I'm going to put it in there. It'll be the intermediate cover, What a Beautiful Name cover tabs, and I'm going to show you some of those things. Remember, you're holding your pick with these 2 fingers. You're giving a little pluck up, and if you want to know more, just put some comments in the video. Say, how do I do this? How to do this? How to do this? Because every day and every week we're uploading more videos for you. Like, share, and subscribe. That really helps us. We're trying to grow the channel and give you the best videos you can. Also, check out our songbooks and all of our merch that we just put up this week. You got some shirts, and I'm going to be wearing some in a few weeks. So God bless you guys, and I'll see you next time.